Hey guys, so to use your Anua Nia Dark Spot Serum, so it's pretty simple. You want to apply a few drops on affected area and gently pat with the fingertips, and then you just want to gradually increase the usage period accordingly. And you just want to use in the morning and night before oils and moist. And when you use in the morning, be certain to wear sun protection with SPF 30 and more. So that's pretty much how you're gonna use it. And yeah, apply a few drops on affected area, gently pat with the fingertips, gradually increase usage as needed, and apply in the morning and evening before oils and moisturizer. And then you just want to use the sun protection in the morning. So that's it, how you're gonna use it.